Hi, today I'm reviewing HUAWEI P60 Pro and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So to get Ampere application, we should enter the app gallery, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should tap to install this application, tap to continue and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just here tap to allow to install. Ampere successfully installed, so we could open the application, tap to OK, to yes, agree, click close, once again to OK, and you will see here information about your battery health. So in my case, the battery is in a good condition. Also, I got here the more information like the battery status, capacity, just the voltage, Android version, and more other info of our phone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.